Hello, hello. This is the My Artifact episode number 2891. Today's date is the 11th of October 2023. It's almost like a night at 9:17 p.m. Yesterday I haven't really made Artifact episode. Why? During basically, let me tell you one thing now. During the night, I was actually thinking a lot, really, really, really a lot. Sometimes I just stuck in that thought process, and I just don't want just I just wanted to just constantly thinking about that thought process. What exactly is this thought process? This thought, basically na, I don't know. Okay, how should I explain this? Is kind of like a very difficult, but I'm trying. Okay, so basically he just like I am thinking about the future, how I design my future, what is exactly the problem will happen, and how do I face those things regarding every possible way. All right, like this way, that way, that way, that way. Right, so that's why I am thinking about lot, every possible result, everything. This thing happened, this thing happened, this thing happened. Okay, and I think it like kind of like a, okay, I don't know how should I explain, but also is that na ki, like when there is a thought stuck inside of your head and it just can't get off. Exactly thing happened like an example is that when I watch this is actually happened most of the people. Okay, so when most of the people watch Avenger Infinity War, first part Infinity War. Okay, uh Endgame is okay, Infinity War. So at the end of the movie, every superhero are dead. Okay, every superhero are dying at the end of the movie. Okay, so it's a big climax. People are actually thinking that ki, what the fuck is happened. Okay, like basically movie stop at very cliffhanger. So people actually assuming lot of assumption regarding about the superhero, regarding about what will happen, wagera wagera. Why they are assuming this thing? Because this movie is actually put you in kind of like a something really cliffhanger. So this is exactly our mind works. Okay, like when we thought about the things, when we thought about the story, whatever it is, thought process, story, exactly the same thing. Okay, so when we thought about things, stories, wagera wagera, and it end at some certain point that you are not satisfied, you are actually wanted to create some sort of thing that your mind will satisfied. But unfortunately that is not. Okay, because it's not a reality, it's just a thought process that you are imagine, that your brain is actually creating kind of like that कि शायद ये इस तरह से हुआ होगा, that's why इतने सारे सुपर हीरो मर गए. Okay, so this is kind of like assuming all those things कि ऐसा होगा होगा, ऐसा हुआ होगा, ऐसा हुआ होगा. Alright, so this is all those things. So is it good or bad? Well, I am thinking, so that is good, but I am thinking a lot, that is bad, because it actually affect on my productivity. It actually affect, like, I don't know, yaar. It's just like na, instead of entire time I was living in the reality, I was living in the my thought process most of the time, every time. Okay, like the only time that I was in reality is that ki when I was playing games or editing videos or watching movies or watching YouTube videos. Okay, like if I just sit or if I just run or if I do anything, I will constantly imagine about the things that कि हाँ ऐसा हुआ होगा, ऐसा होता होगा, इस तरह से होगा, वगैरह वगैरह. So is this future is kind of like a something really that you are imagine is I don't know यार dude, I don't know how should I describe this thing. Okay, just like that ना कि कभी कभी अपने फ्यूचर के बारे में ज़्यादा सोचना अच्छी बात नहीं है, but I am trying. Okay, I just wanted to control my mind to not think about that much, and I'm trying. I am trying. All right. As also na, um, and the reason why I didn't really make an artifact episode, because of that, this time actually after the dinner, this time is like this time is actually meant for that thought process. Okay, yeah, क्योंकि usually I didn't really see the dreams. Okay, I sometimes I see the dreams, but like usually na, when I sleep. Okay, when I just I didn't really see anything, but I don't know. Also, one thing now, there is couple of things is actually happened inside of me that I wanted to discuss. Okay, first of all is that I'm actually sleeping in afternoon, almost like a 1 hour, 1.5 hour. I'm actually sleeping. Is it good? Well, I don't know, but there is a one thing for sure is that after I take a sleep and then I start doing editing, I am fully focused. I will start doing editing and fully like basically it's exact. What exactly happened is that कि after I ate my lunch, I was trying to do editing, but I won't be able to do that. Well, it's kind of like a very difficult to focus and things like that. It just can't. Okay, and I'm really tired. I just really wanted to sleep, so I decided that let's sleep. Okay, so I put the alarm for 1 hour and I went to sleep. Okay, instead of 1 hour, I sleep 1.5 hour. Okay, that is not issue. But after I wake up, I just sit in front of my desk and started doing editing. And I edit the entire first segment of the gameplay. I edited entire thing. Okay, in just 1.5 hour, and that is really cool. My focus was really sharp. I was not really kind of like a rendering. I was not really watching that keyboard is actually no. I was like, I just doing is a like really fucking is a really amazing way. Okay, so and as also during the night, I usually sleep at 1:30 or maybe 2 a.m. Yeah, 2 a.m. I went to sleep and I wake up at almost like a 6:30 or maybe 7 a.m. Okay, so by point of perspective, during the night I sleep 5 hours and 5.5 hours, and during the day I sleep 1.5 hour. So that means I am sleeping at 7 hour, 6:30 or 6.5 hour or 7 hours. So that is cool. So it is really essential me to sleep during the afternoon. Okay, at least 1 and 1.5 hour. It's a really essential sleep, because if I didn't really sleep in afternoon, I won't be able to wake up in the morning. Okay, yeah, usually I wake up in the morning, but my sleep wasn't even complete because unintentionally or intentionally, I won't be able to sleep before 1 a.m. Okay, 1 a.m. or like basically if I wanted to sleep at almost like a 11 p.m. or 12 a.m. It just won't. It just like I don't know, something like my cycle is actually put me awake for 12 a.m. or 1 a.m. So it is really essential to sleep at least 7 hour, and sleeping in afternoon 1.5 hour, that is good. And after I sleep, I can do some sort of work on do some sort of thing. So that is really cool. Okay, it's a really not so bad thing. So yeah, why not? Okay. So yeah, what exactly happened today? Okay, so this is what exactly happened. But on regarding the project, I already record car for sale simulator. Yesterday, I didn't really record anything at all. Yesterday I didn't did anything at all. Okay, I just do time pass. Why? Because I don't know, not time pass, but I just wanted to relax. Okay, I just wanted to think about stuff, about what should I the next project and everything. Okay, uh, during this morning I started recording my gameplay. Also, gameplay is 1 hour long. I thought that I do know that if I record half an hour, so that makes the gameplay about gameplay after the editing it will take 10 minutes, which is sufficient. Okay, if I record 1 hour, then the gameplay became 15 to 16 minutes, and that is not good. Okay, because during the editing process I just have to select which one is good or which one is not. Okay, so that is a big challenge. I recorded 1 hour, so I am really not so sure the final length of the gameplay is how much time it consume. Okay, but I am trying to do less than 10 minutes. Okay, yeah. Also another thing, yeah, at my home everyone is like sick. My father, my mother, my sister, everyone are sick, and so that's why I just have to be like, I just have to do little bit of work at home. Okay, like pocha vagare, some sort of thing, but I just have to do some sort of work at home. So that's why, like basically now in the morning I am very much focused, I wanted to do my work, but during the morning there are a lot of things to do. So that's why, yeah, it's just like a it's this is the kind of like a couple of days, and all right. So I've been talking about almost like a 21 minutes, sorry, 11 minute. Okay, should we continue about this question? Dude, yeah, just let's just talk about those questions, dude. Yeah, it's really essential because of that na ki you are actually thinking about a lot of stuff, and those questions are kind of like a help you to be focus on yourself instead of the thought process will happen in the future. It's not really matter, like if you can't change your reality, how should you expect that ki, yeah, the future you can change? It's not okay. Okay, so being important that key reality. Okay, just stick to the things. All right, let's ask this question. Okay, so I have a couple of questions, like I didn't realize like couple of questions at the end of the series. Like, okay, let me tell you one thing about this question. Okay, so I'm been actually asking this romantic question, not a romantic, but yeah, it's a kind of like a something really love and relationship. This question supposed to be asked between couple, between boy and girl, to understand each other better, to make the relationship even more stronger. So these questions are really help at this moment, at my situation right now. I am recording, I don't really have any person, but those questions are really good. Okay, not for the, yeah, not for the couple, obviously for the couple is really good, but I just like, I never really think about that way. Okay, I never really thought about that as a romantic way in my entire life. Like I've been recording artifact episode for almost like a 7 8 years, and I haven't really think about that stuff. Okay, like the gravity of the relationship, the gravity of the having a person, how should you maintain that? Yeah, it's in the movie, it's in kind of like a something really another story in every YouTube videos, every movies, all those things, but the in reality is way much different than it thoughts, very much different. Okay, so I just wanted to understand those things, but still it will not kind of like a giving me a proper idea regarding about the relationship unless if I didn't really experience that. So I don't know, but I just wanted to understand, instead of noob are facing those relationship, I just wanted to understand what exactly happened. Okay, these questions will, these questions are really helping me to better understand on myself. So yeah, let's ask these questions. Let's go. Okay, the question is, do you think I am living up to my potential? I didn't really get this question. I just wanted to copy. Sometimes some of the questions are kind of like a difficult to understand. Why? Because these questions are meant to be for like US, Europe kind of people. It's not meant for the Indian people. So yeah, like just ask me like, do you think I am living up to my potential? Like what exactly does this mean? बट इसका मीनिंग होता है, क्या आपको लगता है कि मैं अपनी क्षमता के अनुरूप जी रहा हूँ, क्षमता के अनुरूप जी रहा हूँ, या क्षमता के अनुरूप still not understand क्षमता के अनुरूप. Okay, so what exactly is this thing? Okay, what exactly this question means? Okay, so usually is that na कि when we are like at some certain point we are very excited, at some certain point we are very dull, at some certain point we are kind of like something really normal. So every person has a different kind of like a energy, and that energy required different some sort of emotions, different situations. Okay, it depends on the situation, it depends on the everything. Okay, let me tell you one thing. During the wedding you are dancing, okay, with your friends, so your energy was really high. Okay, when you are kind of like a something really heartbroken, your energy is really low. Okay, so what exactly is this energy, what exactly is this thing? This thing is that na कि like when you are, I don't know, I just wanted to explain this thing, what is actually the potential word that you can understand everything. Okay, so in the relationship at the beginning both the people are really excited about each other. Okay, like boy is really excited for the girl, girl is really excited for the boys, both the person are really excited to each other, they can do so many crazy stuff with each other. What is the crazy stuff? Crazy stuff means like basically छुप छुप के मिलना, पेरेंट्स से न बता के मिलना, like things that everyone can imagine. Okay, like मुझे मेरी बंदी से मिलने के लिए I did that वगैरह वगैरह. So yeah, why we did such thing like that? Because the like we have kind of like a, we haven't really feel that kind of like a feeling before. Okay, so it's just like that it's a kind of like a happening first time. So both the people are really excited about this relationship and everything. Yeah, every action, like basically लड़का हर दिन स्माइल करता रहता है, लड़की भी हर दिन स्माइल करती रहती है. ओके, और जब ये सिचुएशन आती है कि मिलना है तो बोथ आर रियली एक्साइटेड टू ईच अदर. ओके, बोथ आर रियली वांटेड टू टच ईच अदर. टच, या जस्ट लाइक दैट ना, वो पहला टच वगैरह वो भी बहुत ज़्यादा इंटेंस हो जाता है. ओके लाइक आप किसी लड़की से प्यार करते हो और वो लड़की ने आपको कंधे पे हाथ रख दिया, या जस्ट लाइक दैट ना कि आपकी पूरी बॉडी एकदम वाइब्रेट होने लगती है. ओके, इट हैपन फॉर द बोथ द पीपल. ओके, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एक्साइटमेंट लेवल. बट लाइक व्हेन द रिलेशनशिप गोज, चलो 3 साल 4 साल 5 साल हो गए, the excitement between both the people are fade away. तो फेड अवे क्यों हो जाता है? लाइक बेसिकली इज दैट ना कि एज अ ह्यूमन माइंड इज एक्चुअली मेंट फॉर न्यू थिंग्स. ओके, हमें नई चीज़ें एक्सपीरियंस करना हमें अच्छा लगता है. जब चीज़ें पुरानी या बोर हो जाती है, चीज़ें काफ़ी लाइक बेसिकली इज दैट कि सब कुछ जान लेते हैं, तब माइंड थिंक्स दैट कि दिस इज़ द काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग विच इज़ रियली अनइम्पॉर्टेंट. ओके, यानी जो 5 साल में जो सारी चीज़ें उस लड़की के बारे में या उस लड़के के बारे में जाननी थी वो सब कुछ जान लिया. यू डिड सेक्स, यू डू एवरीथिंग, सब कुछ. बट आफ्टर अ 5 ईयर उस लड़की के बारे में जानने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं, ना ही उस लड़के के बारे में जानने के लिए कुछ है ही नहीं, बिकॉज दे नो ईच अदर अ लॉट, एवरीथिंग. ओके, सो उस वजह से क्या होता है ना कि एक्साइटमेंट कम हो जाती है. ओके, एंड या लाइक विदाउट एनीथिंग दे जस्ट लिव विथ ईच अदर एंड दैट्स ऑल. ओके, तो ये होता है पोटेंशियल. ओके, यानी एक तरह से होता है कि जब आप एक दूसरे से बहुत ज़्यादा प्यार करते हो तब आप दोनों के बीच में जो प्यार करने की क्षमता होती है, जो पोटेंशियल होता है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. बट जैसे जैसे टाइम बीतता जाता है, यू आर काइंड ऑफ लाइक बिकेम समथिंग रियली बोर, तब वो पोटेंशियल धीरे धीरे कम होते जाता है. अब ये बोर क्यों होता है? लाइक बेसिकली ना, अगर 4-5 साल में लोग इतने बोर हो जाते हैं तब लोग करीब 50-50 साल तक भी वो शादी कर रहे हैं. लाइक दे आर नॉट गेटिंग बोर. व्हाट इज एग्जैक्टली द things they have. Okay, so there is a two kind of thing. Okay, चलो मान लेते हैं आप किसी लड़की से शादी नहीं कर रहे हो, आप बस उस लड़की के साथ हो 5 साल, तब क्या होता है ना कि यू आर गेटिंग बोर विद दैट पर्सन, हु एवर द पर्सन, वट एवर द पर्सन यू हैव. ओके, बट जब यू आर नॉट इन काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली इन स्ट्रॉन्ग रिलेशनशिप. स्ट्रॉन्ग मतलब क्या होता है, जैसे शादी एक तरह से आपको एक बंधन बांध के रख देती है कि हाँ तुम दोनों के बीच में शादी हो गई है, दैट इज़ अ स्ट्रॉन्ग बॉन्ड. ओके, बट यहाँ इस सिचुएशन में आप एक दूसरे से शादी नहीं कर रहे हो. ओके, सो बेसिकली यू आर फ्री एंड शी इज़ ऑल्सो फ्री, आप दोनों भी फ्री हो. सो अगर आप बोर हो जाते हो सो यू कैन मूव अवे, फार अवे, आप छोड़ देते हो. बट एक बार शादी होने के बाद आप सोसाइटी की नज़र में एक रिस्पॉन्सिबल कपल होते हो, आपके पास जिम्मेदारी आती है चीज़ों को संभालने की. ओके, क्योंकि शादी जस्ट नॉट काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ थिंग. आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट फ्रॉम द इंडियन पॉइंट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव, यूएस यूरोप पॉइंट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव टू. ओके, इन इंडियन पॉइंट ऑफ पर्सपेक्टिव बहुत सारी जिम्मेदारी आती है, बहुत सारी, हद से ज़्यादा. इन यूएस यूरोप में तो बहुत कम है, लेकिन इंडिया में तो बहुत ज़्यादा है. इंडिया में लाइक बेसिकली इज़ दैट ना कि यहाँ पे आपको लाइक यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड ईच अदर, एज ऑल्सो इज़ दैट आपको फैमिली की भी केयर करना पड़ता है. नॉट ओनली इज़ दैट कि उसकी फैमिली आपकी भी फैमिली, एज ऑल्सो इज़ दैट कि इफ़ यू वांटेड टू हैव अ बेबी तो उसकी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है. इट्स अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग. ओके, और फिर बाइंग अ घर, बाइंग अ होम, देन ये चीज़ें वो चीज़ें, जॉब वगैरह, ये सारी चीज़ें हैंडल करते वक्त में क्या आपको पूरी ज़िंदगी ख़त्म हो जाती है. क्योंकि आप एक दूसरे से बोर नहीं हो रहे हो, आप एक दूसरे को एक तरह से नहीं क्या सपोर्ट दे रहे हो इन एवरी सिचुएशन, इन एवरी डे. ओके, तो वहाँ पे आप एक दूसरे को समझ पाते हो. लाइक बेसिकली ना वो संसार ऐसा लाइक इस इज काइंड ऑफ लाइक आफ्टर यू गेट मैरिड यू हैव टू लाईक बेसिकली म्हणतात ना एक संसाराचा गाडा दोघांनी सोबत चालवायचा असतो वगैरे वगैरे. सो दिस इज काइंड ऑफ लाईक अ समथिंग रिली मराठी टर्म, बट या दिस इज अ ट्रू. ओके, लाईक यू आर गेटिंग सो मच रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. In US, Europe, you also get so much responsibility too, but little less. Like like if you wanted to baby, then obviously responsibility of baby, home, job. Okay, yeah, 3 responsibility. Family, there is no responsibility at all. Okay, if you wanted to kind of like it's actually dependable. Okay, like a family, what is really the family responsibility is that na ki like my parents are old, her parents are old, so it's just like a their kind of like a something really a child has to be take care of their फादर वगैरह वगैरह, तो उनकी भी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी आती है इन इंडियन सिटीज़न. क्योंकि इन इंडिया में जहाँ पे माता पिता बूढ़े हो जाते हैं तो उनके बच्चे उनको सहारा देते हैं. या इट इज़ एक्चुअली हैपन इन आवर कल्चर, और ये हमेशा से होता आ रहा है. सो दैट इज़ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी इन इंडिया. बट यूएस यूरोप में ऐसा नहीं होता है. यूएस यूरोप में इफ़ द पीपल आर गेटिंग ओल्ड तो like they went like they don't really support, they went to kind of like a something really elder care. वहाँ पे ऐसे बूढ़े लोगों को प्रॉपरली एक तरह से एक ऑर्गेनाइजेशन होता है जहाँ पे बूढ़े लोगों को एक तरह से साथ रखते हैं वगैरह वगैरह. सो इट्स एक्चुअली हैपन इन यूएस यूरोप. आई एम नॉट रियली श्योर अबाउट दैट. ओके, सो दैट्स वाई लोग शादी के बाद रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी जुड़ जाते हैं. लाइक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी के साथ वो एक दूसरे से बोर नहीं हो पाते. लाइक दे हैव लाइक अ स्ट्रगल एवरी डे रिगार्डिंग अबाउट द हाउ टू डू, हाउ टू फुलफिल ऑल द रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ देयर लाइफ. हाँ, लेकिन आप शादी नहीं कर रहे हो तो ऑब्वियसली यू आर गेटिंग बोर, और उसके बाद आउट. ओके, हाँ ये हो जाता है क्योंकि लाइक यू हैव अ फ्रीडम, शी हैव अ फ्रीडम. ओके, तो उस फ्रीडम का इस्तेमाल भी करना चाहते हैं ना. अगर लाइक लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग, अगर शादी के बाद लिटरली यू आर गेटिंग बोर. ओके, नॉट ओनली बोर बट एज ऑल्सो इज दैट ना कि सम सॉर्ट ऑफ अब्यूजिंग थिंग हैपेंड और लाइक सेक्शुअल असॉल्ट एंड थिंग्स हैपेंड, तो फिर वहाँ पे वो क्रिमिनल थिंग हो जाता है. फिर पीपल आर टेकिंग डिवोर्स. ओके, सो या सो द क्वेश्चन इज दैट कि लाइक लाइक एम आई लिविंग विथ काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ पोटेंशियल लाइक यानी लाइक कभी कभी लोग कहते हैं ना कि the things that you are living before was really excited and today is kind of like a really weak. ओके, यानी तुम रिलेशनशिप में पहले बहुत ज़्यादा एफर्ट लगाते थे, अभी तो कुछ भी नहीं एफर्ट लगा रहे हो. सो इज दिस एक्चुअली हैपन? सो बेसिकली दिस क्वेश्चन इज एक्चुअली बिलोंग फॉर द couple. Okay, so I don't really have any kind of like a something really couple, but I can give my opinion regarding if I have that kind of like a person, and that person says that, okay, am I putting that much potential that I used to before? So might be no. Okay, might be yes. Okay, क्योंकि शायद हो सकता है कि जब लाइक इट्स अ ह्यूमन थिंग ना, जब आप किसी इंसान से प्यार करने लगते हो तो आपको उससे चाहने लगते हो. आफ्टर सम सॉर्ट ऑफ टाइम इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक अ समथिंग रियली नॉट सो गुड, नॉट सो चाहने लगते हो. सो ऑब्वियसली द पोटेंशियल बिटवीन द टाइम द वॉज लिटिल बिट लेस. ओके, क्या ये मेरे साथ होगा? हाँ, ये मेरे साथ होगा, सबके साथ होगा. एवरीथिंग विल हैपन, एग्जैक्टली थिंग हैपन, एंड नॉट ओनली विथ मी, with the girls too. Okay, ये इस उनके साथ भी होता है because it's a human mind thing. Okay, हाँ. So yeah, but शादी is really essential dude, and I will do that. Alright, next question. क्या आपको लगता है कि मैं अपनी क्षमता के अनुरूप जी रहा हूँ? Like do you think I am living up to my potential? Like might be na, I am not getting this question, or maybe the answer that I gave it to you was kind of like a something really very different than question. I am really not so sure, but I just wanted to understand this potential word, क्योंकि might be I heard this thing, so might be I am wrong. I don't know, I am really not so sure about this thing. Alright, next question. Dude यार मेरा डॉक बंद हो गया. I've been talking for almost like a 27 minute. Okay, so I don't want to talk about too much because I just have to edit. Okay, so last question. Okay, this is the last question. Do I do anything that drive you crazy? क्या मैं ऐसी चीज करती हूँ जिससे तुम्हें एक तरह से पागल करवा देती हूँ? Like is this thing okay, yeah, also this question is actually belong for the couple. Okay, like drive you crazy का मतलब होता है कि drive, okay, like okay, let me tell you one thing ना. If I just translate this, wait, it's kind of like a something really copy, where it is, बोल रहे हैं यहाँ पे पेस्ट. ओके, क्या मैं ऐसा कुछ करता हूँ जो तुम्हें पागल कर दे? ओके, yeah, definitely this question actually belong for the couples. Okay, और क्या होता है ना कि लेट मी टेल यू वन थिंग ना, पागल कर दे का मीनिंग क्या होता है? क्या, आई डोंट नो, एवरी पीपल इज एक्चुअली एक्टिंग सेम वे अकॉर्डिंग टू द पीपल अकॉर्डिंग टू, बट आई डोंट नो डूड, आई जस्ट काइंड ऑफ लाइक समथिंग रियली दैट ये हर एक लोगों का अलग अलग पर्सपेक्टिव होता है. फ्रॉम पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ मी इज़ दैट कि हाँ, मैं एक तरह से नॉर्मल ज़िंदगी जी रहा हूँ, मुझे एक्साइटमेंट, मुझे पार्टी, मुझे चीज़ें लाइक थिंग्स दैट आई डू, इट्स काइंड ऑफ लाइक सपोज टू बी क्रेजी फॉर अनदर पीपल, बिकॉज ये उनका पर्सपेक्टिव होता है. ओके, so can I give this answer? How should I give this answer? Okay, this question is actually belong for the couple na. So yeah, so this is then I just have to end this artifact episode. I have to make sure that na ki I have to record artifact episode every day. That is really essential. Alright, this is it. After this artifact episode I just have to edit. Yeah, thank you.